My people, how una dey? Also na dey fine. My brothers and sisters, you see this social media of 18. You see all those people where be say then they go, they call, go they say, I know am, see the formation, see this one, see the other one, see the other one. Metai, I dey talk and say most of them in your hair so Jonah Nota. Una see this guy where they here so. According to as I tell here the video, as I tell see her, say na she call Frank, they tell am say na ipa Akobe, na Kpai this boy wey dey for this center of this picture so that is ES no be ES. E boy wey be say he don't get freedom for many years, wey be say he don't serve a master, he don't comot, he don't dey do it all. See I will play this video for una my people. You see all those una wey be say una go dey call, they say na so they talk and they come here I call talk am. Now make me, even though say you call me say mama see wetin na so e be talking like this awawa may you come talk am because ene maladian bunu ene no nya as far as say na your mouth na you for come out na you then go hold na so e be. Now make me make like oh make like if I just dey talk I know say na me dey talk this one, say me go bring somebody, I'll say the person will call tell me, I'll say the person will say na the right thing talking like that. Now me tell you na 100%. Mendo mu women that there you went more well. According to this Omonzwo one that they see for years, so this girl will be say enemy no gia yawu this one so now she be the person where go call. They talk say na Akobe na Kpai this boy. Now this girl don't come out now say may they please, may they forgive her. Say na wrong information na she bring come. My sister Abi, maybe ni auntie way, I don't even know your name. Come before you dey sit down, they come they talk that thing. Eye gbema be sawe. Something not do you care for mind say this is where they talk so. I don't know whether not true. Who even send me safe and to bomb me away. Akobe get wetin do you. Okay, you don't run come out now when they say wala epala wo igwe wajena la he go just clean everything like that. You never hear say forgiveness is a sin. Okay, you never hear. See before una we be say una dey call una mad go dey jet dojo remeni yakae, e go dey run up and down. Before you dey spoil person think before you do one. There are people where you be say you don't spoil in a finish. If he tell you say he hear wene a mind ore or mafo wo. Now so some still day where you be say go come beg you go beg and say I beg forgive me. He go tell you say I don't forgive. But emi no lele adiagbon o managi forgive you wo. You see? Now they go come, they go up and down. They'll say, "Oh mani, azeno, enenemi no, azen, emi no guide there here. Everybody get wetin they guide down they go. Everybody get the kind person where they be. They make some people. If you lie for their head, your life will never remain the same. Even though say it tell you say he hear wene, wetin they follow and they go, he no go agree. Now make before you just you will be say. You say you there for inside work. Now inside work you there, so now you can't they say a palao. The time where you dey do one, why you not think say this is where I want to do so now bad thing. May we fair listen to this video, my people, because most of them the way they say they do. I see any other soldier on altar before you know how you knock by one and on how you come for. Now so the other one and now so you sleep, you not wake up. Now wait till they use their hands to do. Wait till they use their mouth to talk. Now they worry them, most of them. May we listen.
Epala uwe kwe minusunu yebebi kwe vijena ikwe ya ine wena la wo. Forgive me minusunu is a wrong information la wo la wo ikwe ya ine wena la wo yewe fancy we ni bedi kwe ya ine we epala wo forgive me minusunu na wrong information and I don't know, so I feel the quarry and all those things. I'm very sorry, and the family member supports me. This can't see me the album for social media. Forgive me, forgive me. Kina wina na imani na vi ime wena pa wina jina That will forgive me. And if I say, I'm very sorry for what happened. I'm really sorry. What the boy I wake up, equation, I beg him when in the phone you table. Wallah, forgive me. Wallah, forgive me. No soon. I'm wrong information and it might come in where I agree with Facebook and all those things. Wallah, forgive me.
Now you are asking for forgiveness. What about any ya no sono? Ame video ni ya no fly. But why have you not here? How you want to like cancel all those things? Can you clean it? On your see, you see egg. When egg fall for grant, you no go fit pack am make it can't be like the way we fit be before. It don't nothing you can do to repair it. On your see, bini they say emi na muria. Logo na dology na ebidi. Only wa doleji ene no. It just like when you carry anything where be say you just carry your telly break am. That telly, if you can't carry and say me go repair now, you must see that mark say this thing first spoil. Not be the way where they say do and not be so it be. So you just get that mind to come out to come spoil your fellow brother name. Any no na me way or dology. Any no no, but some of na the way wanna say they do. The way wanna say they do. Wanna go ask Baba God, may forgive una. Whether I go even forgive una self. Eni no viade ke gbo yo han adology de eni ne no dia no muri ajo mo bo eni e no dia ono na wa muri ajo bo for waiting you say na wrong information o wa ni no time we ni we ade do tai ona ri hu ele but you say odu wo degbe we o no we gbe na ya ku ye hu na you face am you go carry your head go. Okay, matter no, we yon gele gbe bo re. Ija, wezi egbe. Ne bogwa le o ma no sunu. De matter, we no ladi and dota. Now you na go collect am. You think say na person wey tell you. Now this one now you go tell learn. Maybe you heard the do am before. Now this Akobe on your can your work boy.
I will forgive him because if I'm doing man, they are not in support of what is going on. Please, forgive me. Forgive me. What say that?
So, Oyo han working, Uma benamia o. Una we eminukan yawo. You say you be small picking. Oh my God. So small picking, we no say this thing na fire, but you want go put your hand. Sure you want test and you want see whether it go burn you. Now you do so. Oyo han we even no na we oyo han we wujo han. Uwe wujo wo han because even no why ga woman no dia ko why. Again no bia na asu se igwale be no ya meet up we. Most of una amabi wa we no be your hand no ma say AJ last one onge you want come out come spoil in name. You see your life. Yena kama we here we ne. Abe ma no je ho ya ho eya if they no come rest on call na there problem dey. If una dey do something make una dey think before una dey do am. Think before you do anything on this social media. Not just because of say I not like that person. You want go like I fit do anything where I want to. Later you want come one day you go say I beg please forgive me, just forgive me. I don't know the time where I tell do one. Later on I'll say na devil, later on I'll say na witch, later on I'll say na village people. Whereas now they push on yourself. Now what is there your mind now you do. So when the repercussion will come, you go see collect time no now.
If I forgive me, me and also with Facebook, if I Akobe la wo boy I will forgive me na wrong information. I will wait because my family members support me, they are not happy about it. And
hey, my people, should not hear that one. As I see them for street, I need to bring them come. Many of these ones, then they around. Now then they put fire. Now then go they do underground work. They'll say, hey, na me want one. Nobody go see me. You not can't forget say Osalobo and Orekete, he not they sleep. and some people still know una. You understand? Some people they still know una say a voice some na wana na ye wano. Na so it be. Na make cannot they do evil. Because person must know you. My people, I need to love and like and share this video. Leave your comments on this video. What do you think about this omozu or so? This useless thing. This omonegialo. Omodan. No je weda je wije. After everything she don't do. Now she can't come and say, Epa forgive me, Epa la wo, or wo a family member support on ona. If Epa can't forgive her, what about Emi no viere ju when ya vio adi agbon, he go forgive you. You are just okowe, okay, no vio adi agbon. Now so it be. Because more now why you got beg woman because una not like person, una also na one spoil the head. There is God in heaven. The time where she did do, she not think say. She thinks say nobody they see her. Make I do and me I hide. Make I don't want me anybody know say na me. But what it come bring you come and say it shock you. That's so it be. All right, my people. Thank you. God bless you. Please support my page. Always follow my page. Like and share and leave your comments. Do not forget to follow. Leave your comments also. Una bye bye for now. One love keep us together. I pray maybe say everything go well with you because ununa agwesi miene. Na bye bye for now.